Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a quick review and full demonstration of this right here. This is actually the Go Zone A-frame dumbbell rack. And in this review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this awesome sort of strength training, weight training accessory. It's sort of like a strength training / weightlifting accessory. And it actually holds 5 pairs of dumbbells, as you can see right here. So we're going to start off this review by me stepping back, and I'll give you an overall view of the unit itself. So as you can see right here, very simple branding, Go Zone right there. It is an A-frame dumbbell rack and it holds 5 pairs of dumbbells, okay? Now on the box, it said some specifications of how much weight it can hold. Unfortunately, the box is over here. You know what, I'm gonna take a quick look. I still have it because I just finished assembling it right now. It says, let's see here, holds 5 pairs of dumbbells and then holds up to 220 pounds. Now, generally speaking, you're probably not gonna have dumbbells of that size on a rack like this, right? But it's good to know that it can support that weight, okay? With regards to assembly, it was really easy to do. It's actually only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bolts with 24 washers and 12 nuts. Because each bolt has 2 washers, one on either side. I actually just did a video tutorial on me assembling it, and then I later went and tightened it up, as you can see over here. It's nice and durable and strong right now. Excuse me. The only thing, when I took it out of the box, some of these had popped out, so these were swiveling around, right? But I just popped them back in and it works fine. So, you know, that's the only thing I do have to say about it. Assembly was really easy. You can see, I like the fact that it doesn't take up a lot of floor real estate. Sometimes A-frame dumbbell holders are super wide, like they'll have a very aggressive incline. Not so aggressive incline. Whereas this one here, you know, as long as you're organizing it with your heaviest weights on the bottom and your lightest weights on the top, sort of like gradually, like heaviest one at the bottom, second heaviest, third heaviest, fourth heaviest, and lightest, and blah blah, then you're going to be good to go. And obviously it has a more aggressive incline, but it takes up very little floor space. This is the size of my hand. I don't have a big hand, but you can see right here, very little floor space. And we know that in home gyms and stuff like that, you know, the floor real estate is very valuable. Now, is this going to be like, the price point was fantastic, right? So is this going to be the same durability and strength as something that you're going to get that's 2, 3, 4 times the price? Definitely not. But for the price that I paid to get this for a gift, as a gift for my wife, the quality is unbelievable for the price that I paid. Really durable, really strong. I cannot wait to load it up with weights. I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't put any weights on it yet, but I did really kind of, you know, try and move it side to side, and this thing is strong. So there's one actually that popped out, one of these little black tabs that popped out. I saw it on the floor down there, so I'm just going to go and obviously get it and pop it back into place. Just down over there when I take it out of the packaging. Anyways, that's basically it. That's my quick review of this A-frame dumbbell rack by Go Zone. I hope you've enjoyed it. It holds, once again, 5 pairs of dumbbells. It's absolutely awesome. And yeah, that's basically it. If you like this video review / demonstration, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.